welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super duper fine, and yes, Durga Puja is just knocking up the door. I am so excited for Durga Puja because you know we are Bengalis and we love this Durga Puja festival so much. And yes, I have created this makeup look just for Durga Puja purpose because the festive season is on and I wanted to create something very different kind of eye makeup look. So I have created, I have just matched my eye makeup look with my attire. This is my new blue kurta for puja. I have just tried out to match my eye makeup look with my blue kurta. This is a very perfect festive blue halo eyes that I have created. I hope you will really like this makeup tutorial of mine. Please do watch this video till the end to know how I created this blue halo eye makeup look. The maximum people of Kolkata really gets out of their house during the night time of Durga Puja, and I think this is the perfect eye makeup look for the night time because it is so bold and so dramatic, plus yet it gives that glamour and that that rock on kind of look. I think this kurta and this eye makeup look is just going hand in hand, and yes, I am really happy with the outcome of this makeup look because this is the first time I'm just creating this blue halo eye makeup look, and I was really not that much confident while creating this eye makeup look, but as the time was passing and I was just creating, intensity was coming out, I was so happy with the eye makeup look. So guys, if you want to create this kind of halo blue eye makeup look, bold on and rock on look for this Durga Puja 2020, then please keep on watching the full video so that you don't miss any part of this video how I really created this eye makeup look. So guys, please keep on watching. the full eye makeup look and the full makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed this whole makeup tutorial, because of course this is festive season and who doesn't want a bold on makeup look for yourself. So thank you guys for watching me, loving me and supporting my channel so much, because without your love and support I really cannot achieve my dreams, and I really cannot create some amazing video for you guys. So yes, thanks a lot to you guys, and those of you are really new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then please do hit the subscribe button, because it means a lot to me, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. Please kindly be safe guys, wear your mask even though it's Durga Puja, but we have to keep ourselves safe from corona. So wear your mask and just rock on this Durga Puja. So thank you guys for watching me, love you, take care, have fun and stay tuned with my next videos. Bye.